Now let us consider Earth to be a sphere of radius r. Let m be its mass, that is, let this be the center of the Earth, and r be its radius. And let us assume the mass of the Earth to be capital M. Let r be the radius of the Earth and m be its mass. Consider a point A at a height h above the surface of the Earth. Suppose this is our height h, or let this be a point A at a height h from the surface of the Earth. Let's call this point B. Now we want to know what is the acceleration due to gravity at the point A, or what is the gravity at a height h above the surface of the Earth. And we know gravity on the surface G is equal to Gm divided by r square, where r is the radius of the Earth. So what will be the gravity at a height h? Which means let's call that gravity at a height G suffix h, which will be Gm divided by, we know the distance from the center of the Earth to this height will be, the entire length will be r plus h, right? So the new distance is r plus h. So r plus h whole square. Call that as equation number 2. From the center to the surface it's r, so we just took r square here, but now the distance has changed. It's r plus h, so we have to put r plus h in here. Now dividing this gh by g, will get Gm divided by r plus h whole square by Gm divided by r square. Cancel this Gm and Gm, and this r square will come to the numerator, so it will be r square by r plus h whole square. Clear? Now let's take, this is gh by g is equal to, now let's take this r outside, so this will be r square divided by, if you take r outside, this will be 1 plus h by r. Then you have to completely square it. This is equal to r into 1 is r into h by r is equal to h. This r and this r will cancel. So there is no difference between these two equations. It's just the same. Now this is equal to gh by g is equal to r square. You have to square both these terms. So this is equal to r square plus into 1 plus h by r whole square. Cancel this r square and this r square, and this will come to the numerator. This term on the denominator, we can take that to the numerator. Gh by g is equal to 1 plus h by r, and this 2 becomes minus 2. So this is the final expression, and we know h is very much less than r. Since it's just a point above the surface of the Earth and the radius of the Earth is very large, these two distances can't be compared, which means h is very much smaller than r. So this is equal to gh by g, and this 2 will come to a place in between these two. That is 1 minus 2h by r. It's actually the binomial expansion of 1 plus x whole raised to minus n. And we can cancel all the terms after 2h by r because they will be very small. So this is equal to gh equal to g into 1 minus 2h by r. This is the expression for gravity at a height h.